Hi guys, welcome to the unboxing and quick review of this Ollny Halloween light for outdoor and of course also for indoor with 60 feet length. There are 180 beautiful LEDs on this string light. I have the orange color here and they are waterproof. They have 8 different modes and a timer setting. This is exactly what you need, and of course, because they are LED, they are energy saving and environment friendly and have no overheating and hence are very safe. So let's open the box and see what we get. And so these are the lights here, nicely packaged. They come even with the remote control and the battery included. It comes even with a short instructions manual. There are just a couple of pages for the English version, so I think it could be worth to show you that to see what you could get. I hope it's focusing and not mirroring too much, and that's already it. So you can see it's definitely not difficult to use, and the remote control comes even already with a battery inserted, so we can just pull out this protection here and we still have one battery left. That's awesome. And so let's plug it in, and we have it on power, and we can either turn it on here with this controller or with the remote control. So it's actually the same. I mean, of course we have a little bit of additional functions here. We can turn it on here with this button, and then it goes into the first function. By the way, the flickering which you see here, that's not visible with your eyes, it's just here on the camera. Unfortunately, with my camera, I can't remove the flicker. So I hope you really believe me. There's absolutely no flickering visible unless you have it on a very low mode. But usually it's absolutely not visible. And so with a push here, we go into second mode, third mode, number 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And with a long press we can turn it off also from here. But here we have much more settings. We can also turn it on from here. We can even activate the timer. It's a 6-hour timer. At this time when we start it, let's say it's 6 p.m. we push this button and then it will run for 6 hours and then be off for 18 hours and then turn on at the exact same time again for 6 hours every day. Very, very convenient. And here we have also the 8 functions from the remote control. As you can see, exactly the same thing, and we have 4 dimming modes. We can increase or decrease the lights exactly to the brightness which you need. And the reason why we have so many plugs here, of course, this is the power supply, and here we have the controller, and this end is actually an open end. We can remove this cap here and then we can attach more of these string lights, up to 3 in total. So very convenient, and so I'll put it outside and show you how it looks in real life. So I have these lights now outside since a couple of days and it's absolutely awesome. It's so beautiful. The whole family loves it and everybody is looking forward to Halloween, and it's so convenient to use it with the timer, so it really doesn't get better than that. So I'll put down the link to the Amazon listing down into the description so you can check it out and order it right from there if you like it, and I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below and I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you liked the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.